Previously on The Operator.
You come into my house asking about one of my best girls, that usually gets men buried.
Then bury me after I find out who paid to kill me.
She only sees high-level clients. Be at this address later tonight, alone.
The man, the myth, the legend. I need a favor, bro.
Oh my God. If you're still alive, then I'm sure somebody is dead.
I need a background check.
Of course. What's the heifer's name? She's clean. Minor drug use, nothing that screams setup. You're clear to meet her.
You came alone?
That was the deal.
The man who paid for you. They call him Mr. 86.
Who is he?
Ex-CIA, ghost contractor. If his name is in the room, somebody's already dead.
I need you to run a name, Mr. 86. The dancer said he paid for the hit, ex-CIA, cleaner, ghost contractor. Who the hell is this guy?